So the reason why you are seeing your status in this format, let me show you. In this format, in this format. So as you see on the screen right here, you can see it is in that format. Okay, so let me show you how you can just change it from that format to a format like this. Okay, whereby you just see all your messages in a straight form like that. Okay, so the reason why it is showing that and how you can just deactivate that one is because of one thing called WhatsApp channel. So WhatsApp channel is just one thing, or just looks like a WhatsApp group whereby you just join for updates. Okay, you cannot chat in, you cannot do anything. All that you can do is just reacting, liking, showing a smiley right there. Okay, so that's the WhatsApp channel. You just follow them or join their WhatsApp channel for just updates. Apart from that, you cannot do anything in the group. Okay, and if you want to get all your WhatsApp status in that format, okay, in that format, as in the long form like that, you have to leave all these WhatsApp channels. Okay, so for you to get back that format, you have to leave every WhatsApp channel. Okay, and then it will come back to that format. And one thing that I got to know about that format and the other format, which is the one that you have subscribed or joined the WhatsApp channel, and the one that you are not in any WhatsApp channel, is that if you are in any WhatsApp channel, the one that will be showing will not let you know what the person has put on their status. You only see the person's profile picture. You will see the person's profile picture right on that status, but you'll not be able to get to see what they have put on their status. Okay, so that's the difference that I also got to know about this WhatsApp channel and then no WhatsApp channel. Okay, so this is the information. This is how you can just exit, and this is how you can change that format as well. So stay alive and bye for now, and I will see you in the next video.